टॉपिक इज क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन। क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन को हम सेमी इंटर क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन भी बोलते हैं। व्हाट इज क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन? क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन इज द हाफ ऑफ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन थर्ड एंड द फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल। जो हमारा थर्ड और फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल है उसके बीच के डिफरेंस का हाफ ही क्या होता है? क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन। क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन मेजर्स ऑफ डिस्पर्शन के प्रिंसिपल पर बेस्ड है। हाउ? वी विल सी। दिस इज आवर सीरीज। मीडियन हमारी सीरीज को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है। ये सारी वैल्यूज है स्मॉलर और ये सारी वैल्यूज है लार्जर। Q1 होगा हमारा यहां पर, ठीक है, और Q3 होगा हमारा यहां पर। फाइन। तो जो Q1 है वो सारी स्मॉलर डिजिट्स को बताता है और Q3 है पूरी लार्जर डिजिट्स को बताता है। तो मेजर्स ऑफ डिस्पर्शन का प्रिंसिपल हमें ये बोलता है कि जो हमारा क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन है उसमें हम क्या फाइंड आउट करते हैं? हम इन दोनों के बीच का मीन फाइंड आउट करते हैं। नाउ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Coefficient of quartile deviation will be Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Quartile coefficient of dispersion. Now the calculation of quartile deviation in individual series, discrete series and the continuous series. Calculation of quartile deviation in individual series. Calculate the semi-interquartile range and its coefficient. Semi-interquartile range means QD. And coefficient months are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sales in lakhs 10, 14, 16, 21, 21, 20 and 15. This is our individual series. To find out the quartiles, first of all we have to arrange the series in ascending or descending order. So first of all we will arrange all the values in the ascending order, that is sales in lakhs 10, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21 and 21. Formula of Q1 in individual series is size of n plus 1 divided by 4. Quartiles divide the series into 4 parts. So we use 4 here. N is total number of observation that are 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 4 equals to second item. Second item, what is our second item? 14 is our second item. Q1 will be 14 lakh. Now calculation of Q3. The formula of Q3 will be size of 3 n plus 1 divided by 4. You know why we use 4? Because quartile divides the series into 4 parts. Multiply by 3 because we have to find out the third quartile. So we multiplied this from n plus 1. Now n was 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Multiply by 3 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. That is 6th item. We will see the 6th item in the table. 6th item is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th item is 21. So our Q3 will be 21. Next we will substitute all the values in the formula of QD. QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Q3 is 21. Q1 is 14 divided by 2 equals to 3.5. Coefficient of QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Substitute all the values. The answer will be 0.20. This is our quartile deviation. We have solved the question of individual series. Now come upon the discrete series. Calculation of quartile deviation in discrete series. Calculate the quartile deviation and its coefficient. This is in rupees 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Number of workers are 5, 9, 13, 20, 10, 8, 11, 17 and 7. We will solve the question of discrete series, that is wages in the number of workers, column 1 and column 2. These two columns are copied from the question. Next is CF. In discrete series, first of all we have to find out the CF. What is CF? 5 equals to 5. 5 plus 9 equals to 14. 14 plus 13 equals to 27. 27 plus 20 equals to 47. 47 plus 10 equals to 57. 57 plus 8 equals to 65. 65 plus 11 equals to 76. 76 plus 17 equals to 93. 93 plus 7 equals to 100. Now we will calculate the Q1 and Q3. Q1 equals to size of n plus 1 divided by 4. N is 100 plus 1 divided by 4. So our answer will be 25.25th item. We will see it in the CF. 25.5 will lie in this group. Q1 will be 24. 24 is our Q1. Third quartile equals to size of 3 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 4. That is 3 multiplied by 101 divided by 4. N was 100. Now our answer is 75.75th item. We will see this item in the cumulative frequency. 75.75 lie in this cumulative frequency. So our quartile group will be 28. This is our Q3. Now we will substitute all the values in the formula of QD. Quartile division equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. 28 minus 24 divided by 2 equals to 2. Coefficient of QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. 28 minus 24, 28 plus 24. After solving this, we will get 0.08. This is our coefficient of quartile division. Next, we will solve the question of quartile division in continuous series. Calculate the quartile division and its coefficient from the following data. Central values are given 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Frequencies are given 5, 6, 12, 10 and 7. First of all, we will calculate the class groups. The formula to find out the class group is L1 equals to mid value minus I upon 2. L2 equals to mid value plus I upon 2. I is the difference of two mid values, that is 10. 10. Now we will find out the class group. First, mid value is 5 minus I upon 2. 10 divided by 2. That is 5 minus 5 equals to 0. This is L1. L2 equals to 5 plus 10 by 2. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. We will calculate the second class group. 15 minus 10 by 2. That is 10. L1. 15 plus 10 by 2 equals to 20. This is L2. 25 minus 10 by 2 equals to 20 equals to L1. 25 plus 10 by 2 equals to 30. It is our L2. 35 minus 10 by 2 equals to 30 equals to L1. 35 plus 10 by 2 equals to 40. This is our L2. Now the next group will be find as it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequencies are 5, 6, 12 and 10, 7. Now, first of all, we will calculate the CF, cumulative frequency. 5 equals to 5, 5 plus 6 equals to 11, 11 plus 12 equals to 23, 23 plus 10 equals to 33, 33 plus 7 equals to 40. Now the formula, Q1 equals to size of n by 4. In continuous series, we will use the formula n by 4 to find out the item number. 40 divided by 4 equals to 10th item. 10th item, we will see this 10th item in the CF. 10th item will lie in this CF. So our quartile group will be 10 to 20. The values of the formula is L1 equals to 10, I equals to 10, F equals to frequency is 6, Q1 equals to 10, C equals to cumulative frequency of the preceding group of the quartile group equals to 5. Now substitute all the values in the formula. Formula of Q1 is Q1 equals to L1 plus I upon F multiplied by Q1 minus C. Put all the values. 10 plus 10 divided by 6, 10 minus 5. Answer is 18.33, that is Q1. Now the turn of Q3. Q3 equals to size of 3, n by 4. N was 40. 3 multiplied by 40 divided by 4. 120 divided by 4, that is 30th item. See this in the cumulative frequency. 30 item lies in this cumulative frequency. So our third quartile group will be 30 to 40. So the values of the formula will be L1 equals to 30, I equals to 10, F equals to 10, Q3 equals to 30, C will be 23. Substitute all the values in the formula. 30 plus 10 divided by 10 multiplied by 30 minus 23. Your answer is 37. Now we will substitute all the values in the quartile division formula. QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Q3 is 37. Q1 is 18.33. After solving this, we will get 9.335. This is our quartile division. Now the coefficient of QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. 37 minus 18.33, 37 plus 18.33 equals to 18.67 divided by 55.33. Answer is 0.337. I have uploaded other videos related to quartile division. Just watch them and clear your concept. Thank you.